Hi guys, this is Dylane from the Perfect French. Welcome back to my channel for the second part of the video, la prononciation et les sons. If you haven't seen the part 1, I will put the link in the description box so you can just watch it first and come back to this one later. Don't forget to go to my website first to grab the PDF related to this lesson so you can review whenever you feel like you need to. So let's get started. The first one is a very specific one in the French language. It's two letters attached to each other, O and E, which create a sound like E, but really longer. E, okay? For example, le cœur, le cœur. So, the heart. Une sœur, a sister. Du bœuf, some beef. Second one, the sound en. So we have 4 different ones for this one. En, em, am, an. So the first one, en. Un enfant, a child. Attendre, to wait. 30, 30. Le temps, the time. La tempête, the storm. November. Am, le jambon, the ham. Un tambour, a drum. Un champignon, a mushroom. Now an, un pantalon, a pants. Une balance, a scale. L'Angleterre, England. Now the sound k, which is 3 different one, Q, K, and C. The first one, Q, qui, who. Un coq, a rooster. Une question, a question. Now, K, le kayak, the kayak. Un kiwi, a kiwi. Un kimono, a kimono. Now, c'est le café, the coffee. Crier, to scream. Une carotte, so carrots. Now the sound f, which is f, or ph. The first one, f. La farine, the flour. La ferme, the farm. Le chef, the chief. Now ff, effacer, to erase. Difficile, difficult. Souffler, to blow. And the last one for this one, ph. Le téléphone, a phone. Une photo, a picture. Un phoque, a seal. Now the next one, the sound s. 7 different ways to have this sound. We have S, CCD, SC, SS, C, T, X. The first one, S. La souris. La souris. The mouse. Skier. Skier. To ski. Le soleil. Le soleil. The sun. CCD. Le garçon. Le garçon. The boy. Français. Français. French. Une leçon. Une leçon. A lesson. Now, SC. La piscine. La piscine. The pool. Les sciences. Les sciences. The science. Un ascenseur. Un ascenseur. An elevator. Now, SS. Une tasse. Une tasse. A cup. Un poisson. Un poisson. A fish. Aussi. Aussi. Also. Now, C. 5. 5. 5. Un citron. Un citron. A lemon. Une citrouille. Une citrouille. A pumpkin. Now, T. La récréation. La récréation. The recess. Attention. 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 Une opération. Une opération. A surgery. Now, X. 6. 6. 6. 10. 10. 10. 60. 60. 60. The sound sh. And there's only one, it's CH. So the first one, le château. Le château. The castle. Un cheval. Un cheval. A horse. La Chine. La Chine. China. The sound Z. So there's only two. It's Z or S. First one, Z. Le gaz. Le gaz. So it's the natural gas. 14. 14. 14. Un zèbre. Un zèbre. A zebra. Now, S. Le casino. Le casino. The casino. Une église. Une église. A church. Une valise. Une valise. A luggage. Now, GN. GN. Which make the sound ni. Ni. For example, mignon. Mignon. So it's like there is the E after, kinda. Mignon. Okay? So it's cute. Un peigne. Un peigne. A comb. Le poignet. Le poignet. The wrist. Now the sound with G. G-A. G-O. G-U. The first one. G-A. Le gâteau. Le gâteau. The cake. Regardez. Regardez. To look. Gagner. Gagner. To win. G-O. Une gomme. Une gomme. An eraser. Un escargot. Un escargot. A snail. Un gorille. Un gorille. A gorilla. Now, G-U, we do not pronounce the U, so un collègue, un collègue, a colleague. Une bague, a ring. Une vague, a wave. Now the sound J, so it's J, G-I, G-E. The first one, J. Jeudi, Thursday. Une jupe, a skirt. Joli, beautiful. Now, G-I, rugir, to roar. Une bougie, a candle. And rougir, to blush. Now, G-E, le juge, the judge. Un village, a village. Du fromage, some cheese. Now the sound with Y, A-Y, O-Y, U-Y. The first one, A-Y. Un crayon, a pencil. Un pays, a country. Payer, to pay. Now, O-Y, un voyage, a journey. Joyeux, happy. Nettoyer, to clean. And the last one, U-Y, un tuyau, a pipe. Du gruyère, essuyer. So that's all for pronunciation and sounds in French. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post all those videos a week so you can really practice every week. You can also like the video. Leave me a comment if there's something I missed or something you did not understand, any other topic. I will be more than happy to answer. I will see you soon.